Hello everyone, welcome back to Startup Hope Academy. Today I am going to share 5 powerful English sentences that truly changed my life, and I believe they can change yours too. These are not just English phrases, they are words filled with hope, strength, and life lessons. So watch till the end and tell me in the comments which one touched your heart. Let's begin. Sentence 1. I am enough. I am enough. That means no matter what others think about you or what you lack today, remember this. You are enough. You don't need to prove yourself to everyone. You don't have to be perfect. You are valuable. You are precious. And you are wonderfully made. Say it with me. I am enough. Sentence 2. This too shall pass. Life is not always easy. There are days when you feel broken, hopeless, or lost. But in those moments, remind yourself this too shall pass. Problems are temporary. Pain doesn't last forever. Better days are coming. Hold on to hope because storms don't stay forever. Sentence 3. I choose peace over anger. When people hurt you or situation go wrong, anger rises in your heart. But you have a choice. Choose peace, not for them, but for yourself. When you choose peace, you protect your mind, your happiness, and your health. So today decide, I choose peace over anger. Sentence 4. Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a new beginning. No matter how bad yesterday was, today is a fresh start. You get a new chance to live better, speak better, and love better. Don't carry the failures and sadness of yesterday into today. Wake up and say, every day is a new beginning. Let's make it beautiful. Sentence 5. Let your light shine. There is something special inside you. A light. Your kindness, your talents, your words, they matter. Don't hide your goodness because of fear of people's opinions. Shine brightly, encourage others, spread love and hope. As it says in the Bible, let your light shine before others. These sentences changed my life. Which sentence touched your heart today? Comments below. I would love to read your answers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Startup Hope Academy for more simple English lessons and motivational videos. Thank you.